All right, hey guys, good morning. So we just talked with Ebeth and Umbra and Donna, and if you've seen the other video, Richie actually met with the family before and gave them some groceries and things.
Yeah, from the box.
From the box,
yeah.
Okay. So a box came in, and Richie helped out the family that you guys will meet later. But we just talked to Ebeth, and she had like a stroke. And she's not able to walk anymore or get out of her bed. So we just talked to her and we made a list of some things that she needed and wanted. And then she has 2 grandchildren, and they pretty much take care of her all day long. They can't really leave the house because their mom is working all the time. And it's kind of a sad situation. We'll talk to more when we get back, but the 2 kids' mom, her husband died, and then his other brother died around the same time. So the 2 men of the house died at a very short time, and then their mom had the stroke, so she's not able to get out of bed, and then the kid's mother is working all the time. So anyway, so we're gonna get some things to make their life a little bit easier, and just to help them a little bit. So we just made a list. We're gonna go to the store, and then you guys can meet everybody when we get back.
Okay.
All right, it's Christmas here in Grand Mall. So I just asked Richie if my pocket looks funny or goofy, and she said yes.
Yes, very, very.
But look at this. I changed shirts, go back to the orange, and I was missing the pocket. So I had Chi-Chi, which you guys probably met in other videos. She's a stitcher, and I had her make a little pocket. Because I like sticking my glasses in there. Do you think it's too big? I was trying to stick my water in here, but I don't think it's quite, it's starting to tear my pocket a little bit. But I think it's useful. It might not look, cool. But all right, so we got everything. Our next challenge is to carry everything back to the house. So we have the motorbike, so you guys can kind of get a glimpse of what we got.
This will be a lot.
Yeah, it will be a miracle if we can get this all.
We can put that here.
Okay.
Maybe that.
Maybe we can fit this one. One of these we can fit in the seats.
Yeah.
And, all right. Okay. So all of this needs to go on the bike. If not, we're gonna take a tricycle. So we'll see. So we're gonna load the stuff up, and we'll see you guys later. All right. So we tried to get this all on the bike, but we did fail. So we're just gonna take the tricycle. So that's a lot safer that way. So now Richie and I are gonna drive back with nothing with us, and I guess we'll just see you guys back at the house. All right, so the tricycle is just gonna go as far as he can. Some of these hills are a little bit too high, and just depending on the weight. So he's just gonna go as far as he can, and then we're gonna take over from there. But so far it looks like he's gonna make it. These hills aren't too bad, but the one by Richie's house and the one by the store where you usually get my materials get a little steep, so we'll see. Are you making faces? So how'd the day go today?
Good.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we had to eat. I was getting dizzy. We on these videos, hey bro, what's up? On these videos, hey bro. On these
One by one. Hey bro. Hey bro. Hi bro.
Hi bro. Hi Lash. On these videos it looks like it's a split second, but we went shopping. That probably took a few hours trying to find everything. The longest part is standing in line. Sometimes the lines are pretty long. And today we got unlucky because everyone went to lunch at the same time. We did get everything. Now we're gonna head back. Now it's perfect. I better slow down. Oh, there he is. But these are the easy parts, the downhill. We gotta go downhill, uphill. Mom to pay attention, make sure I don't hit any dogs, and we'll just see you guys at the house. Hey! Here's one of the steeper hills. Looks like he's making it. So we're gonna continue going. That's good. The more he goes, the less we have to make back and forths. All right, so that made it a lot easier. So we got everything almost here. I'm gonna get one more thing, is get some rice, but we'll probably just put this inside.
Yeah.
Shadow comes and greets me every time I come here. Hey, buddy. Hey. Yeah. How was your day, huh? What'd you do? Yeah, just hang out? Good to see ya. Alright, we just got 20 kilos of rice. $9.40. Alright guys, so Ebeth is inside, Nai, and this is all the stuff that we got. And we're just gonna kind of show her since she can't come out here. And this is mainly just all the stuff that she asked for. We made a list before we left, and then we got everything that she wanted or needed.
I made...
So Nai, Ebeth, we got you some diapers.
Dari lang sila sa kilid. Yung medicine, tambali mo. Tambali mo ointment.
And we got some medicine for her.
Yung foam.
And we'll help you set this foam up if you need, but here's a foam.
Dari mong foam. Komportable na kaani.
And there's not a, I'll take this back out just for a second. And we got you 20 kilos of rice.
Dipet ng bugas. Rice cooker.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. And this is Lola. How you doing, sir? And then maybe this stuff, I'm not sure if this will fit in there, but it's a lot of different stuff.
Welcome. Okay, I don't. She's very happy if someone will visit her.
Well, we're happy to be here.
Ngayon nahilak namin. Kuan mo. Datas ninyo tanan ha. Share mo ni nanay ha. Milk. Milo. Ganun si Milo dana? Yay. Nakay Milo. Share mo ni nanay biscuit.
Do you guys like biscuits?
Ano ka? Yeah. Oh, sariyan.
There's some soap, some shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, then bar soap, facial tissues, sanitary wipes, and then for clothes, and then a rice cooker, and here's a water heater, a kettle. This is to heat the water.
Because of stress.
Kanus amang ka na stroke di ay?
I think
Pero December na eh.
Ha?
Tuig na.
1 year this December.
December.
Wow, so it was right around the Odette?
Pandemic. Oh, Odette?
Oh,
Up to up.
Odette, pagkawan sa Odette. Mga
Oh, after Odette.
2 days.
Wow,
Oh,
Because of stress, she said.
wow.
oh.
That would bring on a lot of stress, the Odette. I mean, did you guys get a lot of damage?
Namoy damage dire, wala ra.
Katulad na sa tubangan
Just the in front, but
Wow.
it's good here.
na
There's no damage.
kuan sa lubi.
Mm.
There is kanang coconut
Tree
tree.
fell. And
Wow.
then
Pull down the
yeah, 2 of her grandkids they are the one taking good care of her.
Taking care, yeah.
yes.
So, you know, sad news, but to hear the full story, she had 2 sons,
Mm.
and which one of the sons was their father, and they okay. So they both passed away at very same time almost.
Mm.
February.
So there's really these 2 girls have a big responsibility to take care of their Lola. And this is Umbra and Dana. So very mature for their age. How old are you both?
Play daddy mo dai? 10 years old. Ikaw Dana? 4 years old.
In what grade are you in?
Sa kang graduha dai?
Grade
Grade 5.
5?
And Daniel's classmate.
And Daniel's classmate, okay.
Ikaw? Daycare pa ka? Nag-school ka daycare? Daycare.
Daycare, okay. So they probably wake up in the morning, get ready, and then go to school,
Mm.
and then come back and take care of their Lola?
Yeah.
Who takes care of the Lola while they're at school?
Their Lola.
They're Lola.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for coming to Philippines.
Hey, you're very welcome. You're. I'm happy to help. This really. I'm very happy to do this for you. So, hopefully, all this stuff is useful. I know they said they really needed a rice cooker. Their other one broke, and then diapers. All this stuff is water is useful. So, with the water heater.
Yes. And then we will help you set up the phone later.
Yes.
But we'll also have something for the kids.
Yes.
Go there first.
So we asked Umbra and Donna what they wanted before we left, and they didn't want anything. It was really difficult to try to make a list of what they wanted. So we tried to get some gifts that we thought they would like, and then so we're kind of go through some of the things
Yes.
that we got.
So nami kanang kwan kabaw mo duha ni hula ko. Try ni mo yung duha ha, tagsa mo ni duha ha. Sa may mo color. Sige na mo ni. Yellow. Imo ha green at ha. Sige, share na mo. And then we also have badminton. Request nilang duha. And then ang Dana. Try ko no Dana. Wow. Yung kang ate. Ano ate? Ano? Yan. And then, some books. Sleeping Beauty. O Cinderella. Share mo na duha ha. Okay. And the notebooks. For their schooling. Ako yung butari ha. Then, drawing book. Coloring book. Drawing book. Kumaw ka mo color Dana? Nursery rhymes.
And these are nice because you can color, and there's like a story,
Hmm.
so you can read and draw at the same time. And then to use your imagination, these are all blank, so you can draw whatever you want.
Yeah.
And I think this one's a reading one too. And you can draw.
Basa-basa mo na. Mag-story telling mo ni Lola ini gabi.
Color my door red. Color me yellow. Color me pink.
And then, paper mo guys. Color.
Flashcards, we got addition. And then multiplication. Do you guys like math?
Ganan mo math? Yes. Practice mo.
And here's, which one do you guys like best?
Sige nyo, minus or subtraction, addition, multiplication.
Multiplication, wow. That's a tough one.
And crayons, more than ako. Share mo ati ha, tagsama na. So, scissors. And then, tadaan! Ana, mo dito. Partner na ari. So we choose the stretchy clothes. So make sure fits to them. And then Dana, wow. Sakto man na mo Dana no? Perfect. And then open. Share mo na.
And then these, we're thinking of you when we got these. So these are all for you. And of course you can share with Lola, and your whole family. But the Chucky was mainly for you guys. And then the Milo and the milk.
Nan kami ng Chunky Dana.
They're very laid back, mature kids. So they're gonna enjoy these toys later. When they're on their time, they we'll draw. As soon as we leave, they're gonna have a good time.
Yeah.
But at least now they have everything that kids should have. They have some badminton to play, and then some good snacks, and then they got some comfortable shoes, some nice clothes, lots of things to have a good time with. So this is probably about it. We might stay here and talk with them for a little bit longer, but
Yeah, and set up the phone maybe.
yeah, we'll probably set up the
Try to
phone.
help.
Yeah. But yeah, I guess today was another good day. So we got a lot of useful stuff for them. Like the rice should last for a while. And then now they got the rice cooker, the water heater, the foam, which is much needed. Their other foam was really thin. But anyway, yeah. So thank you for watching. I guess we'll carry on and we'll let them be. As soon as they get out, they're probably going to have a good time. So, but very responsible kids. I'm glad we did come here because these kids did deserve this. And then Lola, I feel
Yeah.
so bad that, you know, she lost 2 of her sons like almost back to back, and then her stroke was right around the same time, right during Odette. So it was just a really bad time. But yeah. But anyways, I think it's good that we got this stuff for them. So anyway,
We're very happy today.
yeah. Are you guys happy?
Naipay mo sa inyong dawat? Yes.
All right.
Alright.
All right. We'll probably see you guys later. All right. You guys take care. Thanks again for watching, and thanks for helping out. Whoever helps out with things like this. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you guys later.
Bye-bye.
All right. Whoever drops first loses. Okay. Mark, get set, go. Horrible.
Okay.
I think you're too close to the wall. Come this way.
It's
We'll take
good.
one at a time.
Ana.
At least I'm not the worst one here.
Yeah, you get it.
Ako beto. Well, let's have a race.
Nice job, Lola.
Oh, Ebeth said when I was younger, I'm good with that.
Really? Nice.
Ah.
Nice. That beats my 1.5 seconds.
Oh, you're good.
Oh
You're
yeah.
good.
Oh yeah.
You're good.
I just bend my knees so it doesn't
That's
go
a
down.
jackpot. That's the trick.
That's the trick, to keep your knees raised
Yeah.
hard so it never goes below.
Yeah.
Bansa kami sa una ni.
He's very good at that. Takyan na na.
There we go. There we go.
Oh. 1-0. Oh. 2-0. Almost. I should. Whoa, Lola's doing good. Bye bye. Welcome.